Guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Taylor. So today I am going to be showing you how to create thumbnails on your iPhone and for free. Yes, for free. If you guys are like me, you've come across YouTube videos that say creating thumbnails, whatever, but they always have in-app purchases. Well, today I'm going to be showing you how to do it for free. Okay, so I'm going to put the phone somewhere right here, and we're gonna get into this together. So you're gonna want to download 4 apps. It's gonna be PicMonkey, I don't know how to pronounce that, Bazaar, Facetune, and YouTube Studio. If you are a YouTube creator and you don't have YouTube Studio, you need to get it. Okay. First thing you're going to do, you're gonna open up your PicMonkey. You're gonna go to blank canvas. Make sure, so hit custom. You need to make sure that those measurements are correct. 1920 by 1080. Those are the exact measurements of a YouTube thumbnail. And click next. You're not gonna do anything to the background or whatever. You're gonna slide over. You're gonna hit graphics, and you're gonna hit whichever picture you're doing as your thumbnail. I would hope you're doing a picture. So you just fix it how you want. You're gonna click next. You're gonna click save. You're gonna save it to your gallery or camera roll, whatever it is. The next thing you're gonna click, you have 2 options. Tend to like the faded out, blurred background. If that is your choice, place is gonna be Facetune. If you don't wanna blur out your background and you want a completely different background, make sure you keep them watching. I just wanna add to, the reason I didn't do anything on PicMonkey is because you only need those specific measurements from PicMonkey. I mean, you can do a bunch of other stuff on there, but like I said, you have to pay for those, the PicMonkey. And the reason I don't use the Bazaar, if that's how you pronounce it, cool. But the reason I don't use the Bazaar for the measurements is because you have to pay for that. Yeah, you actually have to pay for different measurements. Like Bazaar has one specifically for YouTube thumbnail, but you have to pay for it. Okay, you can only use their standard one. So that's why I go to PicMonkey first. It's a lot of steps, but hey, I don't have to pay for anything, you know what I'm saying? Open up Facetune. You're gonna drop your little picture, slide over, and you're gonna hit defocus. And when you hit defocus, you're gonna click auto. That's the nice thing about Facetune. A lot of their stuff is free. Slide it over as blurry as you want it. Save the camera roll. That's literally all you do. All right, so here's Bazaar. You're going to click new and open photo. If you start new, it's going to change the measurements of the picture that you chose. So if you hit start new, it's going to use their default measurements, which is not YouTube's thumbnail. And the reason they do that is because they want you to pay. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit open photo. Hit whatever it is that you're doing. This is if you want a completely different background. So you're gonna go to style, and then you're gonna go to scissors, and then you're just gonna cut everything up. I kind of sped through this just because. And I kind of did like a general cutting. I don't necessarily do this like crazy nonsense when I'm actually going through a thumbnail. I actually take my time when I'm creating our thumbnails. So then after you've created or you have applied the scissors, you go to the eraser, and I like to go to the eraser just to take out any harsh areas. Like I said, this isn't how I normally do it. I'm just doing it to show you guys. So you just go ahead and erase everything. It's not going to take it out like the scissors did. It's just going to minimize what you see. But I do want to add that when you're using the scissors, you need to connect it. I don't know if you guys saw that in the video, but you need to connect it all the way around, or else your picture is going to be choppy. It does take some time getting used to. It took me a while to like teach myself. I just want to put that out there. Nobody taught me how to do any of this stuff. Like, we pretty much are super self-made. Like, we taught ourselves how to edit, how to add in like audio, and how to add in like fun little noises and things like that. So all of this stuff is like self-taught. I'm the only one that knows how to do thumbnails, but maybe after watching this, Talia can do it. So you just hit apply, looks good. So there's gonna be a few different ways to add backgrounds, but right here I'm actually just showing you all the little fun stuff that you can do. So you can add outlines, you can add shadows, not only to the pictures but to anything that you add to Bazaar. This is a really useful tool. It just you just have to know how to break the system a little bit. So here you know how to outline, add different colors, and you edit, do all kinds of stuff, change the opacity so you can like throw some other stuff in there. So here is like a bunch of different tools on how to use it. You can actually throw in different pictures as your background. You can look at their photograph backgrounds, the backgrounds they provide, or you can like Google things. So this one was kind of like a little mukbang series that we did. Look at that. So you just hold the picture down and it'll set as background, and then you hold it down. So anytime you need to edit something, you just hold it down. Look at that, our burger is the background. Okay, so there you just add different color backgrounds, whatever it is that you want to do. So that's how you cut things out, and you can create like different backgrounds. I'm going to show you how to edit the full frame pictures of no cutting or anything like that. So you just go back, open photo, always make sure you open photo. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna click on the main picture and you're gonna hit style. Well, minimize it just a little bit so you can actually see the border. So you hit style, you go to outline and just add your outline, the thickness of however you want it. And see this one, yeah, I didn't blur that one out. It's just a regular picture just to show you guys how to do it. Figure out how to do it. So like the last picture, if it's hard to understand, I'll make another video, but all you do is like the last video where I showed you how to cut it and you save it. So you saved it in the same format it was in. So then you just go back to the main menu, open photo, and then it's exactly how you did this. So you just click on it, minimize it a little bit, add the outline, frame. And this is, I'm just doing extra stuff here, like throwing pictures underneath it. I just need to change the opacity because I have the first our picture is the opacity is like maximized. Okay. So I'm just showing you guys a bunch of different stuff on there. If you want me to do like a full like video on Bazaar and the other tools in there to use, because like I said, I only specifically use PicMonkey for my measurements. I don't really use it for anything else. I don't really need to, because Facetune has like adjustments for brightness and things like that. So want like a full video on Bazaar and how I utilize their tools, basically, let me know. And every time you type something in, you need to make sure that it says PNG so that it's opaque enough for you to put over your pictures. If it's not, it's gonna be like this white block on top of your picture, and you don't want that because it's not cute. So it's all fun. Then you just add text. The cool thing about Bazaar too is they have like a variety of free, and see, look, they have the little, like I said, there's a lock button, so you know I didn't pay for nothing. So they've got like a good variety of free text to use. And you can add outline to the text, make it all kinds of fun, like put your own style on it, you know what I'm saying? Then you just save image, and now I'm going to show you guys how to upload. So you're gonna go to your YouTube studio. Your video is that you're going to change. You're gonna hit the little pen icon, edit thumbnail, change, add it. See how it fits perfectly, and then you just save it, and then you're all done. Alright guys, I hope that you found this video super helpful in creating your thumbnails, not only on your iPhone, but also for free. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. Also leave them in the comment section below what else you would like to see on how to. If you like this video, like it. And I will see you guys in the next one.